A personal loan will come at a higher rate of interest. The personal loan will be for 3 years, 4 years. Now, two things that we have done in this. For the convenience of the customer, we have kept it a 10-year tenor. The tenor of this consumer loan is 10 years. The second thing is that this like already explained, this is up to 15% of that amount. And this is given very simply into the bank account of the customer just by showing those basic documents that this is the architect assessment or this is the valuation of what I am going to do. So before he is going to start interiors, we will give this amount into his account. Now this proposition as it is, nobody offers in the market.
No sir, others, I don't want to take the name, but others are also
They have a top-up. Top-up is a part of the home loan. So let's say if I am taking a 50 lakhs property, if I am doing a 40 lakh, let's say I am doing a 35 lakh I want for the home loan. I can take a top-up, and top-up is within the overall, I cannot still cross 40 lakhs of the total loan that I give to the customer. So this is not top-up. And tomorrow close the home loan and continue with this consumer loan.
But what is
The
the rate of interest?
rate of interest is because it is not linked to the home loan, the rate of interest is little higher. The home loan rate of interest is 8.65. This will be roughly between 10.75 to 11%.
So that is cheaper for everybody.
Absolutely. So this,
And I think the first segment is easier for a home buyer.
what is for a home buyer, sir?
In the sense, as far as the
Top up.
Yeah. See, for example, if somebody is getting a home loan of 50 lakhs, and 50% of 50 lakhs is approximately, let us say, 7.5 lakhs.
Correct.
And the rate of interest will be charged on par with your home loan, which is assuming that it is 8.5 or 8.65. But in this particular case, the product is different, and the home buyer will end up paying more.
Absolutely. So this is a different product. This is a product which is, so that product is already there, which everybody offers in the market. So this is not a Me Too product. This is a product that nobody offers in the market. So if somebody is taken on a 50 lakh property, somebody is taken a 40 lakh loan, he will not get a top up because he is already taken 80% LTV. You cannot give more than 80% LTV. So he will not get a top up. This is given to that customer, and this is not given for any purpose. Top up can be taken for any purpose. The purpose of this is only interior decoration. So what he does is, he will take a 50 lakh loan, 40 lakh loan on a 50 lakh property, and he will get 6 lakh for interior decoration against an architect with validation or something, and the money will be given to the customer in his account. There is, let me validate you, there is no such product that exists in the market. In this, that total retail finance that we have is 80,000 crore, of which Tamil Nadu is close to about 10,000 crore. It is 80,000 crore. There is another 4.5, 5,000 crore which is wholesale.
So all together, what is the AUM?
So 80,000 crore plus another 4.5, 5,000 crore is 85,000 crore. That's the total book that we have. The second question you asked, of this, how much is urban finance? 36,000 is urban finance. Of this 30%, the Lakshya target that we have taken is that we will grow more than 25%. So 25 to 30% is the growth that we will do. However, in certain businesses we will grow much more.
I want to know what is the total AUM? That is total
84,000 crore.
84,000.
Right. You are saying what will it become after?
That is, you are looking at a growth of
25%. So we can do the math. So 25% on about.
Yeah, 25% is the growth.
Correct. So that will be roughly about 20,000 crore.
So technically, I just want to know, we will be crossing the 1 lakh mark.
We should be somewhere around. That's what we have. Yeah, we should be somewhere around. I can't for certainty because we are not allowed to give forward-looking statements. I can't firmly say whether what my target is. But we will grow at about 25%. But if you do the math, roughly we will be close to about 1 lakh. Absolutely, you are absolutely right, sir. Sorry, I'm unable to.
You have not mentioned about processing fee for the loan.
Processing fees for the loan.
The processing fee for the home loan is simply the regular processing fee. It does not increase because of this proposition. It's the same.
Okay, suppose if a customer took a home loan from some other financier,
Right.
that is from the bank, will you extend the decor loan for them?
Okay. So the important thing is that why have we introduced the home decor loan? The home decor loan is a convenience to our home loan customer. So, however, if the customer moves the home loan to us, right now we have not kept it as a condition because we are essentially saying customers who have already taken a home loan are looking to buy a property and want to take a home loan. In the next 1 month, we are looking at that, but in a month's time, we will also be taking care of customers who have loans with other banks and financial institutions and who will move the main loan to us and hence will also get a home decor on that.
So after this campaign, how much you are expected growth in Tamil Nadu?
So last year in our overall pan-India growth was about 55-58%, Tamil Nadu on the disbursement and close to about 38% on the book. So 60% on disbursement and 38% on the book. This was last year. This year we hope to grow a little more than this because of this campaign. So exact figures we can't say, but I have given you last year's actual growth. Our growth should be a little more than this what we have grown last year. And Tamil Nadu and Chennai is a key market for us. So we hope to grow much faster in this market as compared to, let's say, pan-India.
Sir, could you take the mic?
Retail and urban finance. Retail and urban finance.
Yes.
Can you explain, sir?
Can you just repeat, sir? Can you take the mic, please? Yes.
From Chennai perspective.
Yes.
Between retail finance and urban finance, what is the difference?
Retail finance and urban finance. Oh, very nice. Thank you. So, like this all is rural. Okay. Then on the right hand side is all urban, which is what two-wheelers, mortgage and home loan and LAP, personal loan and SME loans. So this is all urban, this is all rural. This entire put together is retail.
Yeah, my question is, two-wheeler finance, even rural also they take two-wheeler finance now. Home loans also, now rural they go take the bonus. What is it? It is not
Okay. So
clear.
we do not do two-wheelers in rural, we do not do home loans in
Why,
rural.
sir?
We,
Because
as of now, we don't, because the understand.
future market is coming from tier 2, tier 3 cities. But now tier 1 cities are more stagnant now.
Correct. So there are two reasons involved. One, because home loan is collateral led. The collateral understanding is very different in rural markets, and that understanding right now we do not have. We need to have, obviously we will have. However, this rural lab that we have launched about a year back, this will give us fair understanding of the property understanding of that market, and this we have launched in our country, Tamil Nadu. So we will start understanding the rural technical, rural legal much better because of this.
So you are new to the market. So
We are new to the rural market in home loans and LAP. The second thing is two-wheeler. If you look at our rural group loans or microfinance business, it is the customer here is the lady, and we are directly dealing with her. While the two-wheeler rural happens through a dealership. So we have to be essentially present in those dealerships, understand how it works, set up a collection framework. As of now, we are not there in both these, but the rural market, you are absolutely right. We are covering through the rural lab. So we will understand, and this is not a part of our next 2-3 years, but this is a product that will help us understand the rural market on lab much
you are
better.
missing out the market. Because
Sir, I agree with you. However, as an NBFC, it is very important to do well where you are already present. I completely agree with you, sir. Today, it is extremely important because we have also to take care of stakeholders. And I am saying in the markets we are present, there is so much work to be done. Even in two-wheelers market, there are 40% customers two-wheeler in the metro markets who have never taken a loan previously. 40% of the customers in urban and semi-urban markets have never taken a loan previously. We are trying to figure out lots of solutions to these kind of customers, and I think, or we think collectively, our job is first to do well what we are into. Once I think we do that well, then the next steps will come. What are the other opportunities in the market? Thanks. So we have spoken to, we feel that the roadshow campaign will be done along with builders. So there are key builders in the city and outside city that we'll be working with, and we will definitely, so there are already meetings that we have lined up, and there will be key roadshows where we will go out at their sites to their customers and explain this proposition and reach out to customers on what is in it for them. Definitely, that's on the cards. Real pleasure to have you here. I am Sanjay Karyali, I manage the urban finance, and I have here Kavita Jagtyani with me, who is our Chief Marketing Officer. What we have launched here today is something that we think is an industry first, and we believe that it's a huge benefit in a segment of home loans where the entire offering is around just rate of interest. So the complete home loan proposition that we have launched, which we will be offering to all our home loan customers, it includes essentially three large things. One is it takes care of the interior decoration that the customer requires and he does not have enough liquidity. This will be up to 15% of the home loan that he's taken from us. The tenor we have kept very flexible, will go up to 10 years. It is not integrated with a home loan. It is not a top-up like what is offered in the market. It is completely separate from the main home loan. That's one. The second thing is the entire process is digitized, which means the customer sitting at home or on a holiday can access. He doesn't need to come to a branch. The third and as meaningful, the customer need not talk to multiple persons during the process of the home loan or later on, because this is a 20-25 year loan. There will be one person who will be the RM, who will be talking to him, or any requirement that the customer has will be met by this one person rather than going to multiple people. With these three, we think our home loan is complete, and from a customer's perspective, we think that this is a huge plus in the home loan industry.
So what is your present market share? After this, what will be the future market share?
So currently we do about the home loan business. The book is about 18,500 crore, the mortgage book. This grew at about 38% last year. While overall L&T Finance, we have shared with everybody that the growth will be 25 to 30%. We are absolutely sure that last year the book grew by about 38% and the disbursement of mortgage was 7,500 crore, which grew by 60%. So we are absolutely confident that because of this proposition, it will definitely grow much more than the overall expectation that we have on the L&T Finance, which I said 25 to 30%.
Thank you.
L&T Finance, how strong in R&D?
L&T Finance is extremely strong in tech and digital. We were talking about the people capability that we have added. So there are three very senior people that have joined the organization in the last 1 to 3 months, who are very senior people in the industry, who understand digital tech, who are themselves techies. Just to tell you, our MD and CEO Sudipto Roy himself is a techie background person, and he takes extreme interest and is personally involved in the entire how technology and the research that the organization is doing around making things simpler for the customer.
Okay, thank you.